In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer USDT from Binance to MetaMask. To get started, open your MetaMask wallet first. Before you copy anything, make sure MetaMask is set to the exact network where you want to receive your USDT. This part matters because USDT exists on multiple blockchains and the network you use on Binance has to match the one selected in MetaMask. Once you've confirmed the correct network, tap or click Receive. Then copy your public wallet address. This is the address you'll paste into Binance as the destination for the transfer. Next, open Binance and log into your account. From there, go to your Assets or Wallets section and find USDT in your balance list. Select it, then choose Withdraw. On the withdrawal screen, Binance will ask you for the receiving address, the network, the amount you want to send, and then it will later require security verification before the transaction can be completed. Now paste the wallet address you copied from MetaMask into the address field on Binance. Take a moment here to double check it carefully. A good habit is to compare the first few characters and the last few characters of the address to make sure it matches exactly. Since crypto transfers are generally irreversible, even a small mistake can send funds to the wrong place. After that, choose the correct network. This is the most important step in the whole process. The network you select on Binance must be supported in MetaMask and must also be the same network currently selected there. For example, if you're sending USDT through BNB Smart Chain, then MetaMask also needs to be set up to receive on BNB Smart Chain. Matching the network correctly is what ensures your funds arrive where you expect them to. Once the network is selected, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Binance will show you the withdrawal fee and the final amount that will be received, so review that carefully before moving on. Before confirming, go over everything one more time. Make sure you selected USDT, confirm the MetaMask address is correct, verify the network matches, check the withdrawal amount, and review the fee. When everything looks good, click Withdraw or Confirm. Binance will then ask you to complete its security checks, which may include two-factor authentication and other confirmation steps. After that, all you need to do is wait for the blockchain confirmation.